Hi guys, today I am going to be reviewing this glitter slime that I got from the Dollar Tree, which was $1, and it looks super cool. And then at the bottom, it has 3 colors. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has blue, pink, and kind of like a turquoise greenish color. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really cool. Okay, so oopsie. Gotta open it. Woo. Woo. Okay, so but it is. This looks super cool, so I'm so excited to play with. Okay, so there's 3 colors. Ooh. I don't want to mix up the colors. Well, look. Okay. So this this feels like slime. Okay, so at the bottom it's super pretty. Oh, look at this, guys. Alright, so this slime is not stretchy. That's okay, because look at this. It's clear with glitter in it. You can poke it all day. It's a little stretchy. Yeah. But this here is super cool. So yeah. And it's this feels like slime.
Te estoy hablando, pinche flaca, no me oyes.
Okay, so if you see this slime, really cool slime. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching. Bye.